Not too long ago, I was this close to giving up on making money online. No sales, no results, just frustrations every single day. And honestly, I started believing maybe it just wasn't for me. But then something changed, and that one shift is what helped me to start making consistent income online. When I started, I did everything I thought was right. I joined platforms, got affiliate links, and started posting everywhere. Facebook group, WhatsApp, even messaging people directly. But nothing worked. No clicks, no serious messages, definitely no money. What made it worse was seeing other people post screenshots of earnings. I kept asking myself, what am I doing wrong? At some point, it stopped being exciting. It just felt like stress. I later realized I was making some very common mistakes. I was promoting random products that I didn't even understand. I was just dropping links instead of actually helping people. I had no real system, just trying anything I saw online. And the biggest mistake, I was expecting results too fast without actually learning the process. Everything started changing when I stopped chasing quick money and focused on understanding how affiliate marketing actually works. I learned it's not about spamming links. It's about choosing the right products, building trust, and guiding people step by step. The moment I started doing that, things changed. My first sale didn't even come immediately, but when it came, it made sense. And from there, I was able to repeat the process. Today, I can confidently say affiliate marketing works, but only if you follow the right system. It is not magic. It is not overnight success. But if you do it properly, making something like 50,000 naira monthly is very realistic. And honestly, I wish someone had explained everything to me this way when I was starting. That's actually why I created my ebook, where I broke everything down step by step. From choosing the right products to getting traffic and to actually converting people into buyers. If you are serious about making money through affiliate marketing, you can check it out in the description or my bio. If this video helped you, make sure you like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what part of affiliate marketing confuses you the most. I'll see you in the next video.